2 hectares worth of endangered bushland vegetation, and there's also some endangered wildlife species that live there too, some birds, Rudyard shelducks, and possibly an antinaceous mouse species that lives there as well, that's quite little known of and not sighted very often in the area either. It's sort of open bushland, and it has a mixture of melaleucas and Moreton Bay ash trees, with also Liverstonia palms too, which are indigenous to this area as well. And there's quite a large stand of them further down to the northern end of the site too. To draw attention to the area, I set up a social networking page where people could interact with the site and look at photos of the area and talk about the issues that were involved with it. And I also, being from an visual arts background, I decided I would set up an art exhibition in the forest area, and I used natural vegetation that had fallen, like leaves and things, to create artworks. And we also got some local residents who could knit to do some guerrilla knitting, which is a worldwide sort of street art movement, where you create knitted pieces and tag them or hang them on places of interest. So in this case it was done to draw attention to the forest, so we wrapped a scarf on the trees, and one lady knitted up a spider's web, and we had a spider in there to show some of the natural species and, you know, how that would be kind of devastated in a way too. And we had knitted leaves that would unfurl, sort of as a representation of the unfurling of the forest if any part of it was removed. And we created orbs and circular patterns and things with the natural vegetation, just to show how it could also, beautify the area. Even though it was just stuff that would normally decay, you can use it to create artworks with, and lots of people came and had a look and enjoyed the artwork and enjoyed a bit of a walk through the forest as well.